Cultivated meat gets FDA GRAS status. Cell-based meat producer Upside Foods has become the first in the U.S. to earn GRAS status. This means the FDA has no questions about the safety of its meat, which is grown in bioreactors from a few animal cells. The technology has been hailed by PETA as well as investors and climate experts. It removes the need for raising animals for food without compromising on taste, texture, or nutrients. And it could reduce the protein sector's emissions by more than 90%. FDA GRAS status means the meat is generally recognized as safe, but it's not a green light for selling the meat just yet. Upside Foods still needs USDA approval for that, but the FDA approval is a victory, putting the industry closer toward production and a more sustainable piece of meat on your plate.